What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another episode of what's going on in the shop. Today, I'm going to give you guys a little insight on a project that I just so happen to be working on. I have a 7.3 liter engine that went kaboom. The whole bottom end came apart on it. So yeah, that was pretty catastrophic of it. If you notice though, this engine has a girdle attached to the bottom end of it that's supposed to prevent things like this from happening. So that's kind of messed up. But like I always say, there is no guarantees when it comes down to performance. You can bolt on the best product that there is, and there's always that margin for failure, especially when you're pushing a lot of performance, pushing it to the next level. Things like this can happen. I'll be replacing that engine with this engine right here. This is a customer supplied engine from JAK Engines. If you notice, this bad boy also has a girdle, so we'll see how this one holds up. Still in the teardown process, have all the parts here scattered, and I have to salvage whatever we can salvage. Typically like to do is once they're completely torn apart, we'll make a parts list and we'll share that parts list with the client and make recommendations of any additional parts that we feel the truck or the engine is going to need so that she can go back together properly. We provide pictures, videos, so that the customer is always on board and is in touch with what we're doing. There is no guessing around. There is no I think so. No, we provide all the proof to you, the client, so that y'all can make the best decision based on our recommendations. Again, thank you guys for all the love and support. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I can't say that enough. Holler at us if you have any questions. Call the shop, messages on social media. We're always answering questions. We're always willing to help. Thank you again. Y'all stay blessed.